Dear friends, today we are starting the classes specifically for coal formation and coal legislation and winning and working. Many friends have joined the WhatsApp group concerned with coal, so I thought I shall start and allot some time for coal also. Now, let us continue. What is that? And mainly to inform you, the notes what I have sent is very simple, and kindly don't mistake me if there are certain basic terms explained. Like I have explained about oxidation in that, and it is not to insult you or not to say that you do not know it, but many of our friends who come from field, essentially they need to know a little more. इसलिए बेसिक्स को भी एक्सप्लेन किया गया, काइंडली उसको पढ़िए. What is qualification? Before knowing qualification, you would have heard about lithification, solidification and all these things. What is solidification? Solidification is, in geology, formation of solids. What is lithification? Lithification is formation of rocks. In the same manner, qualification means formation of coal. So, the process of formation of coal is called as qualification. Next, I will explain you what is organic matter. You see, in your body, this hand is there, nose is there, all these are known as the organs of the body. Organ means part of a live material. Any live material until now known is an organic material. Organic means it will happen, it will have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen mainly, and other elements to some extent. Okay? Even your body, it contains water. Water has got hydrogen and oxygen, and it contains carbon. कभी भी याद रखिए, any organic material just gets mixed in the earth. It diminishes quickly compared to non-organic material or inorganic. इसलिए बोलते जमीन से आया इंसान जमीन में ही जाएगा. जमीन से आया मतलब it does not mean he has come out from the earth. The earth is the thing which generates the organic material most other than human being and birds and other things, trees and other things. It generates and it goes into the earth only. That is the reason the organic material means any material that has got carbon. It can be human being, it can be a dog, it can be a big tree, but not your metals like steel or any other thing, silica. What happens to non-organic material? Now, while qualification, the organic material becomes coal and the inorganic material like silica and clay also is a silica basically. All this material finally comes out as your ash. Now you know how the ash comes, it comes from that. Qualification takes mainly from plant organisms. Now, plant debris is the word very frequently used. बहुत बार आप वो देखेंगे plant debris, plant debris. Plant debris होता है क्या? Debris मतलब कचरा. जैसा आप घर के कचरा पूरा निकाल के घर में बाहर फेंक दिया समझिए. You remove the कचरा and put somewhere. That is known as the debris or heap. वो plant debris of uprooted plants. Uprooted plant means the trees which come out और root के साथ बाहर आ जाता. They are known as uprooted plants. These uprooted plants and trees, they form coal debris, this plant debris. हमेशा याद रखिए, remember that qualification requires water. Without water environment, it is very difficult for coal to form. And qualification is a reducing process. This is a very important term. And the reducing and oxidation, there are two processes which you should know. Oxidation process is basically addition of oxygen. Reducing process is removal of oxygen. Incidentally, removal of hydrogen is also known as oxidation, but in this case of qualification, both oxygen and hydrogen are removed. जब chemical action होता है, उसमें जो भी oxygen और hydrogen है, वो दोनों निकाला जाता. Now, what happens to plant debris? Plant debris, it becomes lignite first. जो भी आपको lignite है ना, कहाँ पर तमिलनाडु में, that is the first stage of coal. Next comes bituminous coal. Next comes anthracite. ये जो order जो है, I request you to remember, because in some of the bits I have given and also in main exam also I will give, there is possibility you will get some bits on this particular topic. What happens after burial? Burial means burial to take place, all the trees due to some reason, maybe earthquake or any other tectonic activity, will get uprooted, get buried, and further it will go deep and deep and deep into the earth, further gets covered with material, वही होता ना, over millions of years, and during that process biochemical reactions take place. Biochemical मतलब biological reactions and also chemical reactions, and physical and thermal reactions also take place. What is physics? Physics is about force, heat, light, magnetism, electricity, all this is on physics. Thermal means heat, although it is a part of physics. Here physical forces are burial pressure. What happens when the debris goes inside? The entire load above it, it gives a lot of pressure. That pressure is the force that causes reaction. Apart from this pressure, the orogenetic actions also take place. What is orogenetic actions? Orogenetic means, please do not mistake, गलती से भी आप जो ओर है ना, मैंगनीज और आयरन और all that, उसके साथ जोड़िए मत. Ore is different, orogenetic is different. जो folding होता है, whatever folds take place or faults take place, lot of geological disturbances take place due to plate tectonics. These things are known as orogenetic. It is nothing to do with ore formation. Orogenetic is not that, it is orogenetic. Now, these orogenetic actions in the earth also cause physical forces. Next, thermal. There is something known as geothermal gradient. What is geothermal gradient? As you go deep and deep into the earth, the temperature increases at certain rate. That is known as geotherm or geothermal gradient. It is buried in kilometers together below, and because of lot of heat and also orogenetic conditions, these actions take place, and because of the reactions, what happens? It is part of the coal formation. Due to microbiological degradation, I told you, apart from physical and chemical, देखिए आप previous इसमें देखिए, this somewhere I have given biological relation. The biological activity, what happens? आप तो समझ सकते हैं, forces and other things are bending, it is all this bending, all this heating is taking place. But what is this microbiological action is doing? It is forming lignin. Please remember, it is forming lignin. Lignin, I think people who are somewhere near paper mills and other areas, you know, something known as lignin forms. So it is a chemical. So lignin forms here also. So first step is burial. Burial के साथ साथ physical and thermal forces, साथ में microbiological degradation, जिसके कारण lignin form होता है. After that, the lignin converts into humic substance. Humic मतलब जीव जंतु संबंधित कचरा. And condensation of this humus becomes coal. So अभी शायद आप समझ गए, पहले plants वो धस जाएगा, it gets buried, heat and pressure forms lignin, साथ साथ microbiological activities they cause humic substance. ये humic substance जो है वो कोयला बनाता है, coal. Now these are very important points. जहाँ पर कर्सर मूव हो रहे हैं ना, प्लीज रिमेंबर, मेन एग्जाम DGMS साहब भी ये दे सकते हैं आपको, हम तो पक्का देंगे, ये घुमा फिरा के देंगे. अब ये मत समझिए सीधा ऐसा ही दे देगा, घुमा फिरा के देंगे. मुझे बहुत सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स आते रहता, सर यही क्वेश्चन आंसर क्या है, हम समझ में नहीं आया. तो अभी समझना शुरू करिए. हजार लोग जब एग्ज़ाम लिख रहे हैं तो सीधा व्हाट इज़ योर नेम करके नहीं देगा, घुमा फिरा के देगा. तो इसमें डीप बरियल फॉर्म्स बेटर रैंक कॉल्स. जहाँ पर formation takes place in very long deep origins, it gives higher rank coal, मतलब anthracite, bituminous, उस टाइप का. बरियल बढ़ने से मॉइस्चर घट जाएगा. जैसा समझिए यू आर प्रेसिंग समथिंग, आप हाथ में कुछ चीज़ लेके स्पॉन्ज में पानी भरा के दबा रहे, तो पानी चले जाएगा ना. इन द सेम मैनर, इंक्रीज इन बरियल इट रिड्यूसेस मॉइस्चर. When the faults and folds, orogenic action जो भी बताया मैं, that time also rank increases. More the orogenic action, better the rank. More the deep depth of burial, better the rank. With metamorphic action, rank increases to some extent. What does it mean? अब समझ जाइए, there is one block of coal. I am trying to set something to explain you. In future we will go on board. That time I will show you better. Coal formation is taking place in a block or coal आधा बना. That time some metamorphic action takes place. Metamorphic मतलब action of hot fluids, can be water, can be magma, anything. Because of that heat, the surrounding coal जहाँ पर भी वो घुसता है, उसके आसपास के कोल के रैंक बढ़ता. कुछ देर तक वो पूरी दुनिया के सारी कोल को तो रैंक बढ़ा नहीं सकता ना, एक छोटा सा इंट्रूजन दैट विल एक्सटेंड बेटर रैंक ऑफ कोल, वो पक जाता. जैसा आप कोई बिरयानी बनाने वाले हैदराबाद या कहीं होगा, आप उसको ऊपर और नीचे अंगार डालते, श्रृंगार बोलते ना आप लोग, वही. बिकॉज दैट हीट on the top cooks to some extent and bottom heat cooks to some extent. Either it is no way connected with this, but this heat makes the rank better. So this is 4 important points you should understand. हर एक चीज का कुछ थियरी रहता. डार्विन्स थियरी फॉर ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन, डिलोंग पिटेट्स थियरी फॉर specific heats, like Bernoulli's principle for water. Like that you have 2 theories of coal. ऐसा तो 10-15 होगा, बट 2 आर इंपॉर्टेंट. वन इज इन सीटू थियरी, सेकंड इज ड्रिफ्ट थियरी. इन सीटू मतलब जिस जगह में है वहां पर. इन सीटू रॉक, वॉट एवर इज द रॉक इन द माइन इन दैट प्लेस इज नोन एज इन सीटू. एक बार निकाल दिया तो दैट इज रिमूव. ड्रिफ्ट मीन्स मूवमेंट. लाइक say you are staying in Patna or Kayanjar. Morning one friend called me from Kayanjar. So Kayanjar I remember. From Kayanjar to nearby place Darbhanga or some place you are walking or running or driving, that is not called as drift. That is only movement. Drift means any movement caused due to water or river. Please remember, any river or sea, any movement due to water is known as drifting. ड्रिफ्टिंग में क्या होता है, वो मरे लो लाश को ऐसा ऐसा जैसा मर्जी है ऐसा चलते रहता है ना, दैट इज नोन एज ड्रिफ्टिंग. मूवमेंट मीन्स ए नॉन डायरेक्शन. ओके, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ दुखी होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप समझ जाइए, ड्रिफ्ट का मतलब है पानी के कारण जो भी मूवमेंट होता है वो इन सीटू इज जहाँ पर है वहाँ पर, वेयर एवर इट इज. सो द कोल, सम पीपल फेल्ट एज पर इन सीटू थ्योरी, कोल इज फॉर्म्ड in the same place where trees were there and got buried. Say for example you are from Patna में बहुत सारे बड़े जंगल है. Not now, after 100 million years the entire jungle goes down, it buries, there only it forms. Maybe after million years Patna nobody may know. So exactly in that place in situ coal is formed as per in situ theory. Drift theory means from Patna there is a big river. Let us say I don't know any river is there, my knowledge is very poor. Due to that river, all the plants go to the downstream and come to Hyderabad. Because I stay in Hyderabad, I want some coal. There they get sunk. They settle there and forms coal. It is known as drift theory. Gentlemen, I don't know any ladies are also there in this. Indian coals are formed mainly due to drift theory. The evidence is the erect plant fossil with large trunks. This point I will explain you because 2-4 क्वेश्चन इसी पे दे सकता हूं मैं. नाउ लेट अस से इन ड्रिफ्ट थियोरी और इन सीटू थियोरी, वन वेरी बिग प्लांट. आजकल के प्लांट तो साला उसमें कुछ ताकत नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, इसलिए वो मरेलो टाइप के दुबले पतले रहते, मेरे से भी दुबले. पहले जमाने के पेड़ पौधे बहुत मोटे रहते थे, मे बी वेरी बिग, वेरी बिग. सो व्हेन दे संक, it is not essential that everything will go like this. It can vertically go down. Imagine there is a tree, round tree, it vertically can settle down. No, it need not fell down or go this side, that side. It has just come vertically there. बाद में वो जहाँ पर है वहीं रुक गया. बाद में कोल फॉर्म हो गया. तो फॉसिल्स में ऐसे चीज जब दिखाई पड़ा, लार्ज ट्रंक्स, इट मीन्स इट इज मोर और लेस इन सीटू. ड्रिफ्ट में क्या होता है, वो लार्ज ट्रंक जो भगवान को ले जाते हैं ना रथ में, ऐसा टाइप का तो नहीं जाता, ऐसा ऐसा रोड पड़क के जाता. सो हियर प्लांट फॉसिल्स एंड अदर थिंग्स हेल्प ए लॉट. फ्रेंड्स, Hope you will be understanding and liking it. Now onwards, some small change we are making. Around 100 to 200 people in coal, different parts of the country requested, sir, हमारे कोल वालों के लिए एक अलग बना दीजिए. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्या अलग बनाना है. If it is a food, I can make some separate coal food or metal food like that. But I can feel their sentiment. They are getting confused between metal and coal. So 1 week in future I will declare, I will inform all of you, will be for coal week. 1 week will be metal week. But both of you will be receiving all the material, and nomenclature also I will be changing. Okay, that will be informed to you later. I find that many people are not listening to these lectures. If you people do not like, I will stop giving lectures, only send you the material and conduct exams. Please at least open that and listen to some extent. Fast forward तो कम से कम करिए, हो सकता है एक अच्छा पॉइंट आपको मिलेगा. I wish you all best of luck, and friends from coal especially you are requested to read more, not simply my lecture. Okay, we are sending you questions and other things also. Thank you, bye bye. Have a nice day. Be careful from corona.